Okay, so now that I got the plate off, I can get this lead off because it's not long enough to route all the way up to the handlebars. So we'll go ahead and get that handled right now. I'm not afraid of this. I'm not afraid of this. I'm not afraid of this. You really put me out. Where are their arms and legs? Got it out. Okay, so I'm gonna test now to see if the leads actually work. Oh shoot. I don't have a USB to plug in, so I'm not gonna test it right now. So we'll see. So now I'm gonna just work on routing this cord up through the fairing. Well, I guess that's a fairing. Up through here. And stuck. I didn't get one up in there. Oh, there we go. So yeah, let's see. All this is gonna be covered, so I'm not really worried. They really beat me out. It's not okay. Just like that, it's not really beat me out. Like, it's not okay. Alright, so yeah, the routing didn't really take long. I thought it would take longer than that, but I'm gonna leave this out right now so I can start the Quadlock part setup. So I'm gonna try to do this from a really strange angle. I'm gonna show you what's inside the waterproof charging head box. Let that focus for you. So open the box, this top part pulls out, so there, and this is the head mount for the wireless charging. Apparently they've improved it a good bit so that there's no like shorting in the cords or slippage in the waterproofing or anything like that. So I'll sit this up here. Comes with a USB cord. This 2 USB cords. This is the longer one, and this is the shorter one. And it comes with some zip ties, the longer screw to screw into the Quadlock base, and an Allen key. And that's all that's in the box. Alright, so now I'm gonna attempt to put together this mount. So as you can see, it's just my phone mounted right now, just the regular mount. So I'm gonna take this off and take this screw out because I won't need this blue part anymore. So I'll just use the one that they provided in the pack. So hopefully this fits with the dampener. So I've never seen it with the dampener underneath, so hopefully I didn't just buy the dampener for no reason, because I'm not going to need it anymore. So yeah, that comes straight off. So now we're going to put the wireless charging port on. And my goal is to use the shorter cord because I'm going to run the USB pretty close up to here, so I won't need the whole longer cord to run underneath. So that's the goal at hand. So I'm not going to use the longer cord at all. Yes. So that longer bolt should just run all the way down. Oh, shoot. So I can't remember what position my phone was in. So I'll probably have to adjust this a few times just to make sure that my phone is still in the same position after installing this. So we shall see, but I'm gonna get it plugged in and working, and then I'll adjust it off camera. I don't want to bore you guys with that whole install. So yeah, that's on and good to go. So the next step is to plug in the USB port into the cord here. That's running to the battery. Just clicks in like that. And like I said, I'm gonna work these cords a whole different way, so it's not just kind of sitting right here, but for time purposes, I'm gonna just sit it right here. That way if it doesn't work, I don't have to undo any cords or anything like that. This cord right here goes into the back of the charger, and it gets pretty snug up in there just to keep water and other stuff from getting on the inside. I'm gonna run this down the back side. So I'm hoping to put both of these cords together, that way I don't have to. Oh. So I saw the light come on, so that means we got some sort of power. So there should be a button. There's a button on the back of the charger to turn that off. So just be wary to when you turn your bike off, you want to turn the charger off too, because it will drain your battery pretty good, from what I hear. So yeah, let's see if we get a charge. Woo! Look at that. Charging. Let's go. And this is a lot easier than the blue tab because you had to get it at some weird 45-degree angle to like click it or anything like that. So there's like a black mounting pad, so you just push down, turn. Oh, so push down. Oh shoot, that's something new. So push down and turn, you can change your whole angle. So push down, turn. It should just come off. Uh-oh. This is probably user error. This probably isn't the mount. Bam. So yeah, push down and turn. Comes right off. Charging. And off. Sweet. I'm in love. So proud of myself. Alright, so I am recording this the next day after installing the charging head. And I have ridden the bike since, and it worked perfectly. It doesn't shake around or zip tying it right here, as you can see, and zip tying it one more time right here to these other wires. So I am able to turn the handlebars without having any kind of tension issues or anything like that. This might not be the final spot where I end up putting the charger, so I'm keeping my options open. I might end up using that longer cord and just tucking it up under the plastic somewhere to just get it all the way out of the way, but we shall see about that. But if you do like this type of content and you get some kind of value out of this video here, there are more parts that I have coming in the mail that I do want to do installs on the bike. So if this is something you like, make sure you drop a like down below, comment if you have any type of suggestions or anything like that, and also hit that subscribe button as well. It really helps out a lot and will benefit you guys in the future for future installs and things of that sort. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.